This is an instructional video on how to complete a quiz for Bryan University Theory 1 students. I'm going to start by opening Case Catalyst. Once I open Case Catalyst, it opens onto the user page. At this point, I'm going to select the user that has my personal dictionary attached to it. It could be labeled BU2V, which is Bryan University 2 Voice, or it could be labeled with your name. Whichever one has your personal dictionary attached to it, that's the one you're going to use. In this case, I'm going to double-click my BU2V user. At this point, I want to make sure that my Steno machine is on and connected to the computer. I am also going to take this time to clear the memory on my writer. Once I've completed that, I'm going to open my file for my quiz. I'm going to start with Translate. I'm now going to enter a file name following the file naming protocol for quizzes. In this case, it would be your first and last name underscore week 2 underscore quiz 2. This file name will change depending on which quiz you are working on. Click OK. I want to make sure that my writer is communicating with the software by hitting the asterisk key, and it is communicating with the software. At this point, I'm going to go over to Real-Time Coach. In Real-Time Coach, I'm going to select the quiz I'm going to be working on. In this case, it will be Quiz 2. Before I hit play on the quiz, I'm only going to allow it to play for a short period of time, and then I'm going to pause the video and allow the quiz to finish. And then I will unpause the video when the quiz is complete, and we will pick up at that point. At this point, the video has completed. RTC is requesting that I upload the first file. It is giving me a timer which started at 2 minutes, but before I upload the first file, I need to quickly pop over to Case Catalyst and save the file here. Now I can go back to Real-Time Coach and upload the first file. The file is located under Case Catalyst, your user in Case Catalyst, so I need to go find it. I click on my C drive, then Cat4, then User, and then the user that I used to complete the quiz, in this case BU2V. I'm going to look for the file name that I gave my quiz, and I'm going to look for the steno for that file as the first file to be uploaded. I can double click on the file or click one time and click OK. You can see here that my file has been successfully uploaded. It is requesting now that I upload the second file, and it's giving me an hour to do so. For Theory 1 students, we do not utilize that hour. We immediately upload the second file. The window opens on the same window I left a minute ago when I uploaded the steno file. This time I'm going to upload the text file. If for some reason the window does not open up where you left off, you will need to go and locate the file again by clicking the C drive, Cat4, User, and then your personal user that has the quiz. I'm going to double click or click one time and click Open on the text file. Now that both of my files have been successfully uploaded, you will notice that the text above where my quiz was is now empty. I will need to go over to Case Catalyst, highlight my quiz text, either right-click and copy or do a Control-C and copy, and then go back to Real-Time Coach and do a Control-V as in Victor to paste it. Once I've done that, I can now check the transcript. Real-Time Coach will give me focused feedback on my quiz. I will then click Continue, and Real-Time Coach on the right here will give me an estimated score. This is my pre-grade score. At this point, I will contact the instructor and let them know that I have completed the quiz. They in turn will grade the quiz and either give it a pass or reset it for you to take again.